Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमका योकार या रांदपाच्या चॅनलाचेर आणि आयज हांव तुमका दाखयता यांचे बरें कितें तुमका दाखयता. So today I'm going to show you something nice out of this. So this is what? This is tuna fish. So tuna fish, now it is available. It's just starting of the season, so now it is available. Later you get the bigger one, but I wanted this size and I got it fresh from our Kalangut market. And also today the fishermen came and brought. So आज आमचो नुस्त्याकारांनी हाडलेले आणि सोनवाराच्या बाजारांतला सोट्या पण हांवें हाडलेल्यो. म्हाका बुगडे चड आवडटा कित्याक हेचे बरे बरे करूं येता. So first thing तुमका हांव हेजे दाखयता सॅलड. ओके, सो एका आतां आमी बॉयल करूंक घालया. बॉयल करता तेन्ना आमी फकत कांय न्हू उदक हे आख्खें, हें कांय सुटी करपाची गरज ना, आख्खें आनी मीठ उदक आनी हळदीचो पिठो घालून एका बॉयल करूंक सोडपाचें. ओके, तर हांवें बॉयल करून दवरला, तर तुमकां हांव तें दाखयता. सो हे जावन आसा आमचे बॉयल केल्ल्यो. ओके, आतां मातशें गरम हा, तर तेजे सगळे मांस काडून घेयात, कांटो बिटो सगळो सेपरेट. सो टेक अवे, डिबोन इट, टेक अवे ऑल द मीट आउट ऑफ दिस. इट्स हॉट, सो आय कांट पुट दिस. And we can make nice salad out of this. So it is nicely boiled. So you have to just remove the meat out of this and take care while removing, deboning it. Take away all the thorns. Let's debone this. See the meat. This is very healthy fish. Many people don't eat this. Don't know the reason. Kerala people, they love this fish. Kerala. Goan, very few. See. So separate the bones. You can use your gloves while cleaning. So out of this now I'm showing you fish mayonnaise, and you need mayonnaise. So veg eggless is also there, and this is with olive oil mayonnaise dressing. I'm taking 1 carrot grated, then 1 onion grated. I'm showing you all fast, but you all can do slow. One chili and 1 tomato. All has to be grated. This you can cut fine. तर एक प्याव घेतला, एक कॅरट घेतला आणि अशें करून किसून घेयात. ओके, मागीर दाखयता कितें करूंक जाय तें. व्हडलो बोल घेवया, हें नुस्तें घालया, हितून आमचे कॅरट घालात, कांदो तामोट घालून घेयात आणि सॉल्ट टू टेस्ट. ओके, आणि इल्ले पेपर पावडर घालया, क्रश्ड पेपर पावडर. Crushed pepper powder, very little. आणि आमी हे ऑलिव्ह ऑयल मेयोनीज घालया. सो अराउंड जितले तुमकां जाय तितले घाला. सुबेज घालीत मेयोनीज बरें लागता. And let's mix this nicely. Okay. बरें मिक्स करून घेयात. So here it is, and let's start our dressing. So our dressing is here. So I've kept that fish head and the tail half bent. Of fish. During the weddings and all, in Goan weddings, you will always find this on a platter. Hope you all will enjoy all this. And do let me know how it is. Thank you so much for this, watching this. This is tuna fish mayo salad, and enjoy this on a sandwich or just eat like that only, like a snack. So there are many things you can make out of this also salad. Thank you. Dev bare karo. So here it is ready on the plate, nicely decorated, yummy. Enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching this. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटलें. तुमच्या घरा बरे भशेन करात आनी हें खायात. पार्टी हा जाल्यार पार्टी एक करात. Thank you so much.